So today I've decided I'm gonna try to do box braids on myself for the first time in 4 years. Last time I did my own box braids was like the summer of 2021, and I really haven't had time to do box braids the past 4 years because most of my content has been surrounded around my afro or my curls. So putting my hair into box braids for a month straight didn't really seem feasible to me. But since I do recommend that you guys do protective styles as much as I do, I decided that it'd probably be best for my hair and for you guys for me to show you how I take care of my box braids and how I do them myself. I'm gonna be trying to attempt to do them like this or like this. This is kind of the inspo that I took it from. I did buy 100% human hair in jet black from Amazon. If you want the link to the hair that I used, I'll put it in the link down below. I don't know how well that's gonna work since I've never worked with human hair for braids. I've only worked with synthetic Kanekalon or something to that degree. I am gonna make sure that I wash the hair thoroughly, of course, and I'm gonna be shampooing and washing my hair very, very well before I start the blow drying process to get ready for the braids. And my mom is gonna be helping me part my hair for the braids, because I'm very bad at parting when I can't see my hair. And I don't want my hair to get unnecessarily matted and knotted throughout the weeks or month that I keep it in. So I'll be showing you a little bit of my blow drying process and the parting process, and then I will be showing you how I do the actual braiding process and how I'm gonna be trying to achieve this general style. By the way, don't forget to check out my Substack, The Curl Diaries, in the link in the description box. I talk a lot about my hair growth tips on there in the form of blog post and also other general hair help. So if you guys like my content on here and you like hair growth related stuff and you want to see other forms of content other than videos, then I highly recommend that you become a free or a paid subscriber. But I'll be back. My hair is freshly washed and now I'm going to be blow drying it. I'm going to be using this BigHead Some Like It Hot heat protection. I saw on TikTok someone do like a test of some sort, and this one worked the best. So here I'm just spraying in some of my heat protectant and making sure to rehydrate my hair with water so that when I blow dry, it's not on dry hair. Because when you blow dry on dry hair, that causes more damage. So I'm just using the Rev Air in all of the sections really quickly. If you wanted to know how I actually do my blow dry routine, you can check out my Rev Air video that I posted about a month or two ago. And now I'm just prepping it so that my mom can part it right here. Parting took about maybe like an hour or two. Me and her were kind of talking the whole time and kind of not really paying attention, so it probably would have went faster if we didn't get distracted. But this is what the parts are looking like. And then I took my human hair and I started washing it with the one and only argan oil shampoo, and I made sure to shampoo really well and scrub each bundle 3 times. I made sure to really scrub it because I really hate the smell of like factory hair, and I had dried it with my diffuser attachment. Now I'm just going to begin braiding a little bit, and I'm going to show you quickly how I seal my ends. I got this nail glue down here, a little dot of it, and I'm gonna let that dry. It's pretty much completely dry and it stays like that. The only thing wrong with using glue is that you can't reuse the hair afterwards and you're gonna have to cut above it. When I do braid my hair, I have to make sure my real hair is a lot farther past than this so that when I put the glue on, I don't accidentally put it on my real hair. I obviously have hours to go on this, but now I'm gonna finish the rest of my hair. So if you see clips of me cutting, that's me cutting out all of the straight pieces that come out. And don't worry about cutting your real hair because your real hair is not gonna stick out like that. It's only the braiding hair because it's so blunt. And I just made sure to take out at least 3 or 4 little curls, little skinny curls on each braid, starting from the top and then going down. Okay, so honestly, I thought I was going to thug it through the rest of the night. I am so tired and my neck hurts so bad. My jaw has been stiffening up from holding the hair in my mouth. It's currently 1:48 a.m. and I didn't really start till about like 7, but I sat down around like 6:30. So this is what I have left, but this is what it looks like so far. This is what it looks like so far. I'll be officially wrapping it up tomorrow and I'll be completely done. But for right now, I'm gonna go to bed, so good night. So honestly, I'm a little bit worried because I only have 2 bundles left. Hopefully that covers the rest of my hair. I don't know if it's going to. So it turns out I did not have enough braiding hair and I had to go to the hair store when I was almost finished to get similar hair as to the hair I had because the one on Amazon wouldn't have come in fast enough. But I just finished the rest of my hair. This did unfortunately take about 4 days, but in total it only took me about 13 hours. It wouldn't have taken that many days if I had all the hair on hand, so buy more hair than necessary. This took me about a total of 12 to 13 hours. It would have taken much longer if I didn't have my mom part it though. It's been a really long time since I've done box braids, so I'm really happy that I went ahead and did this. It did take me many more days than I thought it was gonna take, so I'm kind of upset about that, but not upset enough that I regret doing it. I've always wanted to see myself in this type of style, so I am really excited to see how this plays out the next couple of weeks, how long it lasts. And I'm gonna be doing some hairstyle videos with you guys and also a routine on how I maintain this throughout the day or the week. I'm not sure what kind of videos I'm gonna be posting about it, but that's the general idea of what I have, of what I am going to try to film. Also, feel free to let me know what you guys wanna see while I have this style in and what other video ideas you guys have for me. Also, don't forget to check out my Substack, The Curl Diaries, if you're interested in hair growth related topics and blog posts. I post weekly on there, so I highly consider becoming a free or paid subscriber if you like my content. But don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. You can follow all of my socials at BigHeadJustice. But yeah, that's it.